What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kadesha. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another hair tutorial, and today we are working with Gorgius Hair. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So I received a goodie bag and a wig cap. And this is a wig for today. It is a 14-inch Yaki straight true scalp bang wig. This is it. Comes with the strap on already. This is it. It has the scalp at the top to give it a more realistic look. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Gorgius Hair, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is a wig for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. So this should be a pretty simple install because the wig already comes with the strap on. All you need to do is to put your wig on and style your wig as desired, and basically you'll be finished. So I won't be wearing a wig cap. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip strap on, then we put our wig on. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. I don't need to put any foundation on it because they already bleached the knots and it looks pretty realistic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. It already came with the strap on already, so it should be super easy for you guys to put it on. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. It's not giving Barbie right now, okay? This definitely needs some fixing. I need to cut this a little bit shorter, and basically I need to style this. So this is what it's looking like straight out the box. This is it. So this is what it's looking like straight out the box. The best thing about this unit, you don't need glue, you don't need wig caps, you don't need bald caps. None of that stuff is needed. The only thing that I need to do is to cut the bang down a little bit shorter so that I can actually see. And basically that's it for the unit. This is it. This is their Yaki texture. This is it. It's giving real. This is what the scalp is looking like at the top. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish installing my unit. Alright guys, so I just finished cutting my bang how I want it, and the only reason why they leave it that long is for people with preferences, because you have some people who want it shorter than that and you want others who want it a little bit longer, so they give you choices. This is the length that I chose for mine, and I think it's pretty reasonable. It's not in your eyes, you can see, and it's not too short. It's pretty reasonable and I love it. It's giving Barbie and I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. This is the hard work. The hard part is over. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair, and basically that will be it for today. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead, click that link, make your purchase. To get any other hair from Gorgius Hair, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna add some Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to my hair to give it a little bit of silkiness. You know, because it's a Yaki texture, you're not gonna get it super silky, but I'm just gonna add some of the Skinny Serum to give it a little bit more silkiness and a little bit more moisture. So I'm not gonna add a lot, a little bit, and yeah, we're just gonna apply that to it. I'm gonna add a little bit to the bang as well. You want everything to be on the same page, everything to be just as moisturized. Just gonna comb through it. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It is given retro Barbies, given everything that is supposed to be given right now. You can see the texture of this hair is such high quality. Like, look at that. And this is a Yaki unit. It is given quality. Super soft. It just falls right back into place. It is just perfect. If you want to get this unit, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link, make your purchase. Again, this unit requires no glue, no wig cap, no gel, none of that stuff. All you need to do is to grab your wig and go. It's a quick 5-minute simple install. This is it. This is it. It is given super cute. It is given flawless, is given laid, and I love it. This is what the scalp is looking like as well. It's given realistic, it's given natural. This is it. Once again, this unit is from Gorgius Hair. This is their 14-inch Yaki straight true scalp bang wig. This is what it's looking like. This is it. It's super soft, super cute. I love it. My finger just runs through it smoothly. This is it. It is giving Barbie vibes. This is it. It's giving Bob. Super cute. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any of the products from Gorgius Hair, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is it. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you guys in another video.